So being an undergrad and being able to do research on this really cool equipment that's able to do amazing things is something that I know a lot of people won't be able to do in their education. So my honors college project is a research paper on 3D printed prosthetics. Today I'm going to be printing part of a finger, and usually that process takes about 32 minutes, but today we're going to be using a time lapse. It's only going to take a few seconds. The way that I kind of tested the quality was just the dexterity of the fingers or the radial wrist movements. And then this is an idea of what a prototype hand could look like. These are not to size. If you were to download these from online, you could input them into any software and customize them based on your own measurements. This is so funny. Even this little prosthetic hand can do snouts out.